Ma'am,
Hmm?
revision test?
Yes.
Ma'am, you are
Rock
not
and
telling.
rock cycle.
Ma'am, you
Forgotten?
have not told.
No, I have informed.
No, ma'am, you have not told. Ma'am, we have told.
Anushka,
We have
Anya,
told.
I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
discussed that in the last class on Friday
Yes, ma'am.
that
Yes,
I
ma'am. We
will
have
take the
discussed.
revision testing coming week of the chapter Rock and Rock Cycle.
Ma'am, and you have text
Yes,
also in the
ma'am.
group.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you have told.
I have
You
told
told
and I
also.
also texted in the group.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
are not aware, it's your problem then because
I
once
can
a
show the.
teacher is going to give the homework once ना एक ही बार तो होमवर्क दिया जाएगा पूरे हफ्ते तो बार एक ही चीज को नहीं दोहराया जाएगा ओके
Ma'am, today you also have to send the worksheet.
yes I will discuss the worksheet also Anya has started doing this what are you
Ma'am,
doing
today you
Anya
have two periods with us.
see there learn chapter 7 rock and rock cycle for test on Tuesday 18 8 19 it's 29 it's 20 9 साल आगे चले गए okay stop presenting
Ma'am,
Anya
yes.
so would you like to give test now
Yes,
Ma'am, can you
ma'am.
take in? Ma'am, can you take
Ma'am,
in
can you take it yes, tomorrow?
no tomorrow I don't have class now I have
Ma'am, in
period
fourth period.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, you
ma'am,
can
you
take
can
it
take
fourth
in fourth period.
what will you do because
Ma'am,
after
fourth
this class we
period.
have the next period and next then again fourth come
That's why I was saying that tomorrow.
Ma'am, next day you can take.
no
Next class in next.
no because I have to give you all marks and also I have to give the report to your class teacher
So, ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, in the fourth period. 15 minutes to revise.
Ma'am, I have learned everything. Ma'am, please take the test.
I'm giving you 10 minutes to revise rock and rock cycle okay
Okay,
after
ma'am.
10 minutes I will share the question paper
Types of rock.
yes it's 9:34 I will show the question paper at 9:45 okay start revising Arna sit properly all of you open up your camera Anya place your camera nicely so I can see you because I can see your fan only Vardhan Aryan Ten minutes to revise it. Ashutosh, Aryan, Vardhan, open up your camera. Seema Agarwal is Vardhan, na? Yes, mute yourself. Yes, Yash Vardhan.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes,
Ma'am, Ashutosh present.
open up your camera. Oh, Ashutosh, who is this Seema Agarwal?
Vardhan.
Vardhan, na? Vardhan, beta, open up your camera.
Ma'am,
Aryan,
your voice is not coming, ma'am. What are you saying?
Open your camera.
Okay.
Good. Path. All of you
Yes, ma'am.
revise fast.
Ma'am, revised.
Okay, let others also revise.
Ma'am, revise. Ma'am, we can do the work in our classwork notebook only. The test.
You all have the revision notebook now?
Yes, ma'am.
So just get it.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I got it.
Come on, all of you, get ready with the revision test copy. We have only 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, I will show the question paper. In this period, and when you will finish writing, then we will discuss about that project work also. Okay?
Ma'am, I am Arshit. I have to ask a question. Ma'am,
Yes, Arshit?
Ma'am, you have not given my geography marks.
बेटा इट इज ओके ओके आई विल शेयर इट इट इज देयर विद अभिषेक सर आपके रिपोर्ट कार्ड में हो गया है कंपाइल योर मार्क्स आर देयर ओके लेट मी फाइंड आउट दैट जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड आई विल जस्ट फाइंड इट आउट
Ma'am, I have revised and brought the copy of test.
Ma'am, but we have not made any copy of test.
Why when we were having the revision test in May? So all of you are asked to give the revision test in April, na?
Ma'am,
So
I
this
have
time,
not
please
made
listen, Vardhan. This time, please give the test in a page and stick that page in a thin revision copy because I will take the revision test of each and every chapter. Okay? So you all have to make the revision test copy, and I don't want any confusion again and again.
Ma'am, in how much time will you share the paper?
I will share the question paper at 9:45. Okay. So all of you have to get
Okay, ma'am.
prepared before 9:45. And I will give you 20 minutes to solve that question paper, not more than that. At
Ma'am, how many
10:05,
questions are there?
I think 6 or 7 questions are there. Abhi pe dekh, 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 questions are there. And after 10:05 to 10:15, we will discuss about the project work. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Time and get ready for the test.
Ma'am, next period is also yours.
4th period is mine, not next.
Ma'am, your voice is coming in two devices.
All of you place up your camera nicely so I can see that you all are writing. Arana, you also? वरदान बेटा तुम्हारा कैमरा क्यों ऑफ है? अर्शित, मानसी अपना कैमरा थोड़ा बेटा नीचे कर सकते हो ताकि आई वांट टू सी रहान आल्सो दैट यू आर राइटिंग.
कैमरा के साइड.
ओके.
Ma'am, I can try.
It's okay. All of you close your books. Come on. 1 minute is left. Get ready. Book हटा दो अपने पास से. No one will do cheating. If you will cheat, you not only cheat me, your teacher, but also you will cheat your God.
Ma'am, can you see me and my notebook?
And if you'll cheat your God, the God is going to punish you all. और God का punishment बहुत खतरनाक होता है.
Good. And then?
Ashutosh is having such a big cushion in his lap. Parth is very happy, smiling. Parth, I want to see your notebook also. Oh, my good child, Yash. Yash, no cheating. Okay, give your best. Okay, now I'm going to share the question paper. All the very best.
BRIDGE.
Here it is. So can you see the question paper? Class 7, please reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to read the question paper. Question A. How are igneous rocks formed? You have to write down the formation of igneous rock. B. Give an example of an intrusive igneous rock. Intrusive igneous rock का example दीजिए. 1 भी दे सकते हैं आप. Write down 3 characteristics of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks के 3 characteristics लिखने हैं आपको. Write down the formation of metamorphic rocks and give 4 examples of metamorphic rocks also. What do you understand by the metamorphic rocks? अरे ये तो एक ही जैसा हो गया. Okay, sorry. यहाँ पे होना था sedimentary, ये हो गया metamorphic.
मैम ये तो
Ma'am, please zoom the screen.
Okay. अरे कुछ ज्यादा ही zoom हो गया. Wait a minute. Now you can see?
It's little blur.
Yes,
It's blur. Okay, I will share it again. Wait a minute. Now you can see it clearly.
yes,
That's-
ma'am.
Okay, so question number 1.
मैम I can't see clearly.
किसको नहीं
Not
क्लियर
very
दिखाई दे रहा? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
wait a minute. I'm giving the picture of the same question paper on the WhatsApp group also. Those who are not able to see the picture clearly can see it on the WhatsApp group. Okay?
Ma'am, but then the video will be off.
Ma'am,
ये जमीन
my
अहमद
video
is
will not
अमान
be-
ना.
मैम जब कोई भी मैम जूम मीटिंग छोड़ के जाते हैं मैम तो फिर उसकी वीडियो ऑफ हो जाती है.
Okay, how many of you are not able to see the screen clearly?
RN.
मैम थोड़ी सी ब्लर है.
अरे समझ में आ जाएगा. It's not that much blur. Okay, now listen carefully.
आ रहा है, समझ में
How
आ
are
रहा है।
igneous rocks formed? You have to write down the formation of igneous rock. Give an example of an intrusive igneous rock. Write down 3 characteristics of sedimentary rocks. Write down the formation of metamorphic rock and give, for example, what do you understand by the sedimentary rock? Classify the following rocks as igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic rock. एक टेबल बना लेना, ऊपर हेडिंग लिखना igneous, उसके बगल में sedimentary, then metamorphic, then write down classic, मतलब इनमें से जो रॉक igneous है वो igneous ब्लॉक में आ जाएगी, जो sedimentary है वो sedimentary ब्लॉक में आएगी, जो metamorphic है वो metamorphic ब्लॉक में आएगी. Differentiate between minerals and rocks. You have to write down difference in between, then draw the line after the difference in between.
Ma'am, how many
One side
examples
write
need to
down
write?
rock, one side write down minerals, write down the definition of mineral, write down the definition of rock. Bas. Okay?
Ma'am? Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
how many examples we need to write in question number 1B?
Question number D.
Ma'am, in question number B.
लिखा तो है.
Ma'am, in question number 1B part, we just have to name the rock.
Yes, you have to just write the name of intrusive igneous rock.
Ma'am, how many examples we need to write in B part? D.
D में बेटा 4 तो लिखा है. Give 4 examples.
Ma'am, B for ball.
So give an example. What is the meaning of an example? I'm asking only one example. If it is an example, then A. One example. I will stop sharing the screen at 10:05.
Ma'am, only 15 minutes.
अरे बहुत है. Such a small paper. You have to improve your speed also, not writing speed. Because in half yearly you are going to have a lengthy paper. आज इस कान में कितना दर्द हो रहा है कि अभी इस पे लगा ही नहीं रहे काम चला क्या क्या क्लास सपोर्ट
Ma'am, what is the marks of per question?
अरे टेस्ट दो अभी आई विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द मार्क्स ओके
शीतल शीतल क्या होता है? शीतल क्या होता है? शीतल शीतल क्या होता है? बताइए। नाम व्हाट इज इंटरेस्टेड? नाम
यस
व्हाट इज इंटरेस्टेड?
intrusive rock, igneous rock. You have to give the example of one intrusive igneous rock, which is basically formed.
Now we have to give only one example.
Sorry?
Now we have to give only one example.
बेटा only one example. Class 7 के पास questions बहुत होते हैं. Intrusive मतलब which is found in the surface of our earth, in the depth of earth. Actually, some rocks, igneous rock, we found on the surface of the earth, and some igneous rock we found in the depth of the earth. So, intrusive are those rocks which we found in the depth of the earth, and extrusive are those rocks which we found on the surface of the earth.
Ma'am, we can add only name.
Yes, only name.
शीतल नहीं होता बेटा, शीतल होता है, शीतल। यहाँ पे बड़ी ई की मात्रा है। शीतल का मतलब होता है जो अम्मा पी रही शीतल जल, शीतल जल।
पानी को बोलते हैं
धीरे ठंडा, कोई भी चीज ठंडा।
शीतल.
शीतल. Who is there? Yes. What is this? कुछ ले आना, थोड़ी देर बैठ जा, थोड़ी देर। जल्दी से बनाई तो है हम, जल्दी से शिमला में कर दिया है। जल्दी लिखो भी, इसके बाद 3 पेज फिर आ गए हैं। W मेरा एक दोस्त होता है, नाम है W। ब्रेक के बाद हम फोन स्क्रीन में भी आएंगे, देखो तुझे कौन।
Hello, ma'am. Yes, beta, what happened?
Ravi बताई।
Yes, you want to ask anything?
You want to ask anything? I want to ask anything. मेरे साथ बहुत स्लो काम कर रहा है। नीचे।
Ma'am, how many points of difference we have to write?
In which question?
Ma'am, G part.
Beta, you have to write only definitions of minerals and rocks. And with the help of that definition, you can easily differentiate both of the points.
X बड़ा लिखो छोटा
Ma'am, so may I just write the definition of these two?
Yes. Also give the example of minerals, 2 examples of minerals and 2 examples of rocks. In question number G, are you all getting me?
Z
Ashutosh and others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down the example, 2 example of minerals and rocks
अब ये
also.
है AEI
Ma'am, I have done the test. Ma'am, I have done the test.
Okay, revise it nicely. Then send the pictures to my personal number along with your name.
read and write the consonant.
Ma'am, it's time. Ma'am, it's 10:06.
ज़्यादा लोग.
Class 7th, all of you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, no issues.